To turn around, use the sticks, leaning them either left or right before releasing. To move around, lean the stick forward and hold it. Aim the beam and release it when it's green. Grab objects with the grip button. Move the item to the highlighted location to put it down. To use some items like the thermometer, bolus, etc., press the trigger to activate the item. Use the triggers to navigate and press buttons. Holding a trigger allows you to scroll. Press fast to click.